to my channel, Jetpack. Today I'm going to show you what's inside my golf.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass bray.
Let's open up. There's a zip here. I pull it up. I'm going to show you my driver first. Okay, let's take it out. Let me get my tea. Okay, it's in this pocket. When it comes out, you will see. I got one. Put it in here. Like that. Let me get my golf ball. It's in this pocket. You balance it on the tee. Now I take my driver. Let's see how far this baby goes. Oh, it fell. Balance it again. Concentrate, Musa, concentrate. You can do it. And ta-da, magic. Okay, ready for the show. Uh-oh. Now I'm going to show you my rescue. You can use the rescue club when you're in the rough and it's far from the green. I'm telling my mother to fetch the ball. And she said no. And I went to get it by myself. Told her how far it was. This is called putter and you use it when you're close to the hole. Imagine this is the hole. Let me dig a little. I hope my grandmother doesn't see this. I'm ruining her grass. Now feet apart and hit slowly. From the mid iron, I have mid iron 7. Let's see how it works. This is my favorite iron because I have good controller on it. In this pocket, I have sanitizer. You need to sanitize your hands so many times when you come back home. When you go there, you need to sanitize your hands of corona. And I got my teas in here. And in this pocket, I have my glove. You can use it for good grip. I got my golf balls in here. This is all for today. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Bye.